welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your girl Day Lexi, also known as Deja. Let's get started. Today's video is all about how do you maintain natural hair. All that I have to say are my opinions. I am not a professional. I did not go to school for this. It's just what I've learned throughout this journey. So to begin, I am 2 years natural and 4 months. I'll be 3 years natural in November. I can't wait. I cut my hair back when I was in high school, in sixth form to be exact. I just got tired of my hair, my creamy hair. Nothing was wrong with my hair. I was just tired. So
somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
when we talk about maintaining natural hair, the first thing I want to say is to have a clean foundation. So I wash my hair once a week. You don't have to wash your hair once a week. You can wash your hair once every 2 weeks, or yeah, that's the furthest I'll go. So I wash my hair once a week and I deep condition every wash day. I do not co-wash because I am busy during the week. I attend school. So once a week, either Saturday or Sunday, depending on what style I have in mind. If I have something that would take long to dry with like a wash and go, I will wash my hair Saturday, do it Saturday and have Sunday for it to dry and stretch. If I'm doing a braid out, then I wash Sunday. So when I'm washing my hair, I wash my hair in twists. I just find that that is better for me. It's easier and it's less time, and the detangling process is way easier than.
Remember that. Remember it. Write it down. Take a picture.
Then when it comes to deep condition, now I put all the twists up, and then I take down one twist at a time and put in my deep conditioner, comb through, twist back, repeat until it's all. Put on my cap, and that's how I deep condition. In twist, and then I wash it back in twist, and then I style in twist. More than likely I'm going to be doing a twist out, a braid out, or a wash. Okay, so when I'm prepping my hair for a style, if it's a braid out, I use my leave-in conditioner first. When I just come out of the shower, I put in my leave-in conditioner. You can use any leave-in conditioner of your choice, whatever works for you. And right now I'm using the Eden Body Works leave-in conditioner. Sometimes I use the Aussie Moist.
Really, nigga?
Lies. I use the As I Am leave-in conditioner. That is also one of my faves too. And then I'll use like the Eden Body pudding souffle. I would use that if I'm doing a braid out, and I put a little oil on it after I done twist it. I don't like when my hair is too oily, so I would, after putting all my braids, then I will apply oil all over into my roots and all of that. So it limits the amount of oil in my hair. I don't even like lotion. Okay, so if I'm doing a wash and go ever, I do the same leave-in, and I will do the coconut curling cream, and then I'll use my gel, which is the Eco Style, and then just leave it. That's it. Your natural hair journey doesn't have to be complicated. You don't have to have a lot of steps. You don't have to pre-poo, after poo. No, you don't need all that. Now I'm gonna tell you things that you should not do. You don't leave your hair dry. If you leave your hair dry, you have knots and it will just be a hassle, and every time you put on your wash day, your hair gets worse. So when you do sit down to wash it, it's gonna be hell. If you wash your hair once a week, then you have the control over your hair. You have all your wash day turners. You have the control over how long you stay in the bathroom, because it can be too much. Sometimes you just need to carry some music in the bathroom, to be honest. So now I want to tell you guys how to prep your hair before bed. You guys know that you should not be sleeping on cotton. But I also know not everybody can afford a silk pillowcase. Whoever gets a scarf, get a bonnet,
wait a minute,
something like that.
Something ain't right.
Sleeping. No. So you're gonna tell me that you wash your hair, you moisturize your hair, proper style, and then you go sleep on cotton? What's the sense? Help me understand. So when you do, because I don't for the entire day, and you will end the day by sleeping on cotton, friend? Cotton? Talk truth. Be real with me.
Like, who the fuck has time for that bullshit?
Tell me what me not see. Let me see it, because it makes no sense to me. Get you a scarf, a bonnet. It don't have to be nothing expensive. In Jamaica we have pings. Go get you a pings. Go to this ear store. You have Lilies in Apple Tree at Savannah Plaza. You have discount in whatever that plaza name. Everybody in Jamaica know discount. So, but for persons who are not Jamaicans, you have beauty supply stores you can go to. Don't be sleeping on cotton, baby. No. No. Now I want to go into how do you protect it. Okay, I have the scarf. I have the bonnet. How do you protect your hair? For me, if I'm doing a wash and go, this is after wash and go, my hair shrinks. Like it shrinks. So I will do bands. Like banding when you apply a scrunchie all show the length of your hair. That's what I do. I do bands and then I put over my bonnet or my scarf. But if I'm in a twister and my hair is not so shrunken, I would do a top knot pineapple. If I'm doing a side part, then I pineapple the front separate from the rest of it because I don't want all of it to be up like that, you get that weird shape. So I would pineapple the front separate from everything else, and so I have two pineapple, and then I put the bonnet on or the scarf or whatever my hands get up. And next thing, sometimes when like you're at home for us now who can't go anywhere, it's so easy for you guys to be in the couch and you guys lie down in the couch and stuff like that. Don't do that. Don't do that because that's just the same as sleeping on cotton. Walk with a bonnet. If you know you're gonna lie down in the couch and watch some TV, take your popcorn, take your juice, whatever you need, and your bonnet. Like that's your buddy, your friend, your best friend. Let your scarf be your best friend if you're gonna lie down anywhere. If you have a boyfriend and you go Venmos, make sure you left one there. Because I don't want no excuses. I don't want to hear that, oh, I didn't have. You should always have. Be prepared. In your bag you have your little kit, emergency kit. That's, yeah. Always prefer sleepover. What's wrong? It's the truth. So that's how you prepare your moisturize your hair. I see people walking around with some Sahara Desert natural hair, and then one day out of the blue they decide to do a twist on their moisturizer hair, and they come to me and be like, oh, how did you get your hair like that? I'm like, I da 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 da.
Why mine don't look like yours?
But I do that and my hair don't come out like that. How often do you do that? How often do you moisturize your hair? How often do you take care of your hair? You have to be consistent in everything you do. If you want results, you have to be consistent. Your natural hair will not come out good if you're not consistent. It can be ungrateful, okay? You can put in all the effort and that result don't dry. That hairstyle don't come out good. But if you have a good base, your hair is moisturized, it gets deep conditioned, it will work with you, baby. I promise you that. It will work with you. So I hope all my tips were helpful. I hope I answered questions that were out there. Hope I answered questions that were out there.